question 11, they are saying that we are supposed to express this one in partial fractions. Now, the next part that comes from here after expressing this one in partial fractions can be integration or binomial expansions. And we have done a lot of integration before, so probably it is from binomial expansions. Now, this 5x squared plus x plus 11, then out of 4 plus x squared into, I will close the brackets here, then 1 plus x. This one can be ax plus b, because this one is a non-factorizable quadratic factor in the denominator. So we have 4 plus x squared, and then plus, this one is a linear factor, so I'll just say c out of 1 plus x. So this is going to be our LCM. We multiply these two, then we do the butterfly, okay? This times that. So meaning we shall have ax plus b, multiply it with 1 plus x, then plus c into 4 plus x squared. The whole of it is going to be under this one here. So this simply implies that since they have the same denominator, then even the numerators are equal. So without wasting time, when you reach here, you just get this and equate it to your numerator here. That is 5x squared plus x, then plus 11. Now, our mandate is to find the values of a, b, and c. Now, I can get values of x that I can substitute in here, and then I terminate one of the terms. So if x is, let's say, -1, this whole thing is going to go. Then I will remain with this one here, okay? So I will say for x is equal to -1. That means inside here we shall have, this one has already gone, okay? I don't waste time there. We come to this one here. When you square -1, it will give you a +1 plus 4, that is 5c. And then when we come to this one here, -1 here squared, that will be a 1. So we have 5 minus 1, that is a 4. Then 4 plus 11, that is 15. Meaning when you divide all through by 5, then our c is going to be equal to 3. Then next, I think we can use 0, okay? For x equal to 0, you can see that actually this one will go, a will go. And then here we are remaining with only b. Then here 4c. Then this other side, we shall have only 11. So what will be b? b is going to be equal to 11 minus 4 times 3. So 4 times 3 is 12, not so? Then 11 minus 12, you get a -1. So meaning b is going to be equal to -1. Now, since the values of x I can use to terminate some of these terms are done, then I can use any other value of x. For example, if x is equal to, let's say, 1, so put here 1, here we shall have a 2, we shall have 2, then times, of course, a plus b here, so it will be 2a plus 2b, then plus, this will be 5, so 5c, then is equal to, this is 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 11, that will be 17. Now, this is 2a, is the one that we are supposed to get a. So we have 17, then minus 2b is a -1, and then c, it is supposed to be a minus, okay? When this one crosses, it's a minus. So minus 5 of c, okay? Then our a is going to be whatever we get here, then we divide it by 2. Now here we shall get a plus. So 17 plus 2, that will be a 19. Now 19 minus 15, that one will give us a 4. So 4 divided by 2, then a becomes a 2. So this therefore implies, you can conclude, you say that f of x is now going to be ax, a is a 2, then our b is a -1, so -1, then we are dividing by 4 plus x squared. 4 plus x squared. Then we have plus c, which c is a 3. Then out of 1 plus x. So that is going to be our answer here. Now the next one here is also from integration, not from binomial expansions. So hence show that the integral of that is equal to that. So what we are going to do, we pull out our function. We are going to have the integral of 0 from 2 to 0 of f of x with respect to x. This one is now going to be the integral from 0 to 2. And then we have 2x minus 1, then out of 4 plus x squared. Then we also have plus 3, then out of 1 plus x, okay, with respect to x. Now this one I can split it. So I can have the integral of 2x out of 4 plus x squared. Then I can also have minus the integral of 1 over 4 plus x squared with respect to x. And then plus also the integral of, I can put 3 outside here, then integrate 1 over 1 plus x with respect to x, okay? Of course, all of them are from 0 to 2, 0 to 2, 0 to 2. Now, when I differentiate the denominator, when we differentiate this denominator, we get 2x. So we get exactly what is here. That means this one here is going to be now the natural log, okay? So we are going now to have the natural log of the denominator, okay? Then here, this one here is the same as saying the integral of 2 squared plus x squared. You see that? Now, we have, from the list of formulae, we have an a here. A squared plus x squared. This one gives us 1 over a. Then the arctan of x out of a. We have something like that, okay? So that is what we are going to use here. So let me actually put this one down. So we shall have minus. Now that is 1 over our a here is going to be a 2, okay? So let me just write this one as a 2 squared such that it looks exactly as this. So we are going to have 1 over 2, then the arctan of x out of 2, okay? Then plus 3 here. When you differentiate this one, you get a 1 that is here. That means we shall get natural log of 1 plus x here. And then we can put the limits. That is 2, 0. Now, here I can put this one up here, okay? I simplify the logarithms. So I will have 4, then plus x squared. Then from there, I will multiply it with 1 plus x, then power 3. Remember, this one has to first come here, and then you deal with the logarithms when there is no number here, okay? So that means after getting that, then we shall have a half, then the arctan of x out of 2, and then we can now put the limits. This is 2, 0. Now, when we put the limits, put a 2, this will be natural log of 2 squared, that will be 4, then plus 4, that will be 8, then into, put 2 here, that will be 3, 3 cubed, that is 27, okay? So that is that, then minus a half arctan of 2 over 2, that is a 1. Remember, the answers you give here have to be in radians. So you don't write 45 because arctan of 1 is 45 degrees. So you write pi over 4. Then we go to the lower limit. We put a minus. We put 0 here and then 0 here. So we shall get natural log of 4. So that will be natural log of 4. Then minus the arctan. Of course, this one will be 0. Arctan of 0 is 0. So I will just put on this one here. Then I'll get the natural log of 8 times 27. Then I will divide by 4 because this is a natural logarithm and then this is a natural logarithm. This is a subtraction, so we divide the powers, okay? Then after that, we shall have a half. Then the arctan of 1 is pi over 4. So times pi over 4. Of course, here, when you simplify, 4 will go into 8 2 times. Now 2 times the 27, that one will give you 54. So meaning we shall have natural log of 54, then minus pi over 8. So this is going to be our answer. And if you check up here, it's the exact answer which we are having there. Natural log of 54 minus pi over 8. So this has been it for this paper. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you. If you find the content very helpful, kindly like, share, and even subscribe. See you in the next videos.